Hi, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw some puppets. Let's get started. Now for this project, you're going to need the following materials. What you're going to need is paper, pencil. Alright guys, let's start by drawing out our puppets. Now to begin with, I'm going to draw a very simple puppet drawing, which begins with a oval circle. And then I'm going to draw a little box body, a little roundish to it. Because remember, this is cloth. Now that I have that set up, I'm going to add little squiggles for arms. Add dot, and then add a little mouth right here. That's our puppet's mouth. Now with this guy, you can add whatever details you want to him to give him a different look, like make him a doctor or a cowboy or a football player, however you want to design him. I'm going to make him a doctor, so make him look like he's got some sleeves right here. Give him a bit of a coat. Maybe a little stethoscope. Add some glasses. And some hair. Because puppets need hair. Eyebrow. And then maybe a hacksaw. Now another type of puppet you might want to do is like a Sesame Street or Jim Henson's Muppets, in which it's like a monster guy. So to begin with, like all of our drawings, you're going to have a circle oval for the head. Draw a bit of a torso body. Draw a little cut right here because that's where your hand's going to go. And I'm going to draw out some arms. I'm going to add one more oval because that's going to be his nose. Add another one, that's his eye. Add a cut right here. That's his mouth. Another cut, that's his eye, or circle. Start drawing out the details, make him a fuzzy looking monster. Fingers. There you have it. That's how you draw puppets. And that's how you draw puppets. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.